Another beautiful day in the market today. Let's go over the intraday analysis and what clues the market has left us for Monday. At 8:39, I said we identified the red selling algo, so wait until we get some structure to break it. As you can see here, once we started building this liquidity and started breaking out of the red, you could have scaled in, but you have to protect early because these are early candles. You don't want to become the liquidity. We also identified the black algorithm with even more tapering. So I said if the market is kind, we'll get a better structure to break out of black. So if you missed that first trade, it doesn't matter. As you can see here, we got that microstructure to break out of black. I protected a high of day, and I said leave runners in the green algorithm or wait for the next structure. Also at 9:22, I said the better the pullback, the better for the breakout if it wants to keep going up. And this is why it's so important to identify the early algorithms, because you could use them to guide you. As you can see here, the same exact red selling algorithm, controlled selling algorithm, and black controlled algorithm repeated itself. Once we broke that black, we also identified even the white algorithm, the possible tapering. So you have to protect, especially at the high of day. And if you miss all those trades, no worries, because we have identified the controlled selling algorithms. So now you just have to wait for the next structure. So at 9:55, I said if it wants to continue up, I said you know what algos to look for. As you can see with the buying algorithm yellow, the same exact algorithms repeating itself. The red, same exact algorithms repeating itself for the continuation up. There's no reason to call the reversal unless we start tapering and start breaking out of the tapering algorithms. So the only short by algo, if we started breaking the blue and started completing the cup, started making microstructures to break out of white. Other than that, we're looking for buying continuation. 11:05, I said if you know what to look for, if you want to go long again, the same exact controlled red and black algos repeat themselves. As you can see here, the same exact algorithms repeated themselves. We also identified an even stronger tapering. You could use the yellow algorithms to guide you, but you have to protect the high of day. Like I said, there's no reason to short unless we complete that cup and start breaking out of the tapering algorithm. So I said at 103, nothing has changed for the short. As you can see, we started tapering more with the white at end of day, but we ran out of runway. So just remember this for Monday. And if you watch yesterday's video, I talked about how the blue algorithm is very key. So if we break out of it, use the pink algorithm to guide you. You can see here, once we broke out of that blue, we started buying up. As long as we maintained in that pink buying algorithm, there's no reason to short this, especially if tapering didn't even confirm with the white. So if Monday, if you're looking for buying continuation, wait for the blue algorithm to repeat itself and the orange selling algorithms repeat themselves for the controlled buying if this wants to keep going up. As you've seen on the 1 minute, we did start a taper at the end of the day, so you have to be careful for that. So if this wants to reject and start reclaiming this and grabbing this liquidity as we built yesterday, we can easily do that, especially with the 5-day moving average and the 20-day moving average right here, and we start losing those averages. If we gap up on Monday, you know exactly what to look for. They change. Still look for the same exact selling algorithms, and you'll get that structure to keep it going.